How to send large audio files on WhatsApp. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to your application WhatsApp. Also make sure that you're running the latest version of the app. Once you're in this page, head over to the inbox of the person that you want to send the audio files. Let's say you want to send the audio files to this person. Head over to it. Once you're in their inbox, click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. And then you have to select Document. Tap on Choose from Files. So first of all, you have to make sure that the audio files has already been saved on your device or it has already been downloaded. So from here, you have to select your specific audio files. And if the audio files is large, then what you need to know is WhatsApp doesn't allow to send the files larger than 2 GB. But I don't think your audio will be larger than 2 GB. So you simply have to click on the audio files that you want to send. Once you have selected, tap on Send at the top right corner of the screen. And then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can send large audio files on WhatsApp. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.